Step 1. Finding the safest parking spot. Step 2. Align the rear bumper, maintaining a parallel distance of 2 feet. Step 3. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, then reverse until you can see the license plate of the car behind you. Step 4. Straighten the steering wheel and reverse until the front of your car clears the rear bumper of the car in front. Step 5. Turn your wheel fully to the left and reverse until your car is positioned behind the other vehicle. Step 6. Straighten the wheel and center the car.